Welcome to Halloween Horror Stories with me, Emily Jane FX. If you'd like to see how I created this Minnie Mouse skull and hear some super creepy stories about Disneyland, then stay tuned. So despite Disney being the happiest place on earth, some creepy secrets lurk behind the gates. True or false, you decide. Creepy fact number 1. The Pirates of the Caribbean ride featured actual skeletons. It was built in 1967 and actually inspired the Pirates of the Caribbean movie. It was the last ride that Walt supervised before he died. Walt and the team felt that the fake skeletons looked too fake. So they got real skeletons from their friends at the UCLA Medical Center. Apparently they were eventually replaced with fake ones as the technology improved, but no one is 100% sure. Creepy myth number 2. Walt haunts Disneyland, California. In Main Street, Walt had his own apartment above the fire station. When he was inside the flat, he would leave a lamp on in the window so guests would know he was in. Since he died, the lamp was switched off, but park employees and guests have seen the light flicker and turn on its own accord. It is believed that Walt's ghost is still in the apartment and that he's letting everyone know that he's still around in spirit. Creepy myth number 3. People constantly try to spread their loved ones' ashes throughout the Disney parks. This happens on a monthly basis apparently. They do it all throughout the park, but mostly on the Haunted Mansion. In 2002, a group requested extra time for a memorial service for the death of a 7-year-old boy. Later, one of the ride operators spotted one of them throwing a grey ashy substance out of the cart during the ride. This leads me on to creepy fact number 4, that there's possibly a ghost in the Haunted Mansion ride in California and the one in Florida. In Florida, a lady took a picture of the buggy in front of the one she was riding in, and there was no light, and it took a picture of a lit up little boy's face, and there was no one in the car in front. In the California Disneyland, several staff and visitors have seen a small boy crying in the Haunted Mansion ride, and they've also seen him in the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, which is nearby. I've been to both Disney parks, and one time I was in the one in Orlando, Florida, and I was on the Haunted Mansion ride, and we were going on a bit of it that was just up a really dark corridor, and the ride broke down for ages, and I was actually really freaked out. Creepy fact number 5. Disney has a few abandoned parks that have now just been taken over by nature. Disney's River Country Water Park closed down shortly after 9/11 after the terror attack caused a drop in visitors. It is also said that the death of 3 different boys over the years could have contributed to the park closing. Once a really popular attraction, it's now known as the creepiest part of Disney, and it actually sits right next to Walt Disney World in Florida. The water park opened in 1976 but has been since left to ruin. In 1980, an 11-year-old boy caught an infection that you can sometimes catch from fresh water and died. In 1982, a 14-year-old boy drowned at the bottom of one of the water slides. In 1989, a 13-year-old boy also drowned in the park. There have been rumours that Disney are going to refurbish River Country and it could reopen in 2022. Would you go there? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my creepy skull Minnie Mouse makeup tutorial, and I also hope that you found the facts about Disney really interesting. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Halloween horror stories, and I will see you all very soon. Goodbye.